Imagine a battlefield where one U.S. Army division commands over 1,000 drones, all buzzing across the sky, gathering intelligence, jamming enemy systems, and even launching attacks, simultaneously. This isn't science fiction. This is the future of war, and the U.S. Army is building it right now. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we break down the latest in military tech, defense strategy, and future warfare, in plain English. So if that excites you, hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. So what exactly is the 1000 drone plan? The U.S. Army has announced that each combat division will be equipped with over 1,000 drones in the coming years. These aren't just reconnaissance quadcopters you see at Best Buy. We're talking about an entire ecosystem of drones, from tiny palm-sized scouts, to medium surveillance UAVs, to large strike-capable systems. Instead of depending only on tanks, artillery, or manned aircraft, future divisions will deploy waves of drones covering the air, land, and maybe even the sea. Why is the US doing this? The answer is simple. Modern warfare has changed. In conflicts like Ukraine, we've seen cheap drones drop grenades on tanks, spot hidden positions, and even disable high-tech systems worth millions. One $500 drone can sometimes take out a $5 million vehicle. That's a game changer. So, how will divisions actually use 1,000 drones? Here's the breakdown. 1. Reconnaissance drones. Constant surveillance, giving soldiers a bird's-eye view of every street, trench, or forest. 2. Attack drones, armed with small bombs or kamikaze drones designed to destroy specific targets. 3. Electronic warfare drones, designed to jam enemy signals, disable radars, and blind opponents. 4. Logistics drones, delivering ammo, medical supplies, or even food right to soldiers under fire. In other words, drones will become the eyes, ears, and sometimes the fists of U.S. soldiers. Now, here's the interesting part. Soldiers won't manually control every single drone. That would be impossible. Instead, the Army is investing in AI systems and swarm technology, where one operator can command dozens of drones at once, like a digital orchestra conductor. This means troops on the ground can focus on strategy, while AI handles flight paths, target tracking, and coordination. But let's be real, this plan comes with challenges. Drones can be jammed, hacked, or shot down. They also rely heavily on secure communications. If enemies disrupt the signal, that swarm could collapse. And of course, there's the ethical debate. Should AI really have the power to make life-and-death decisions? Still, the U.S. Army believes the 1000 drone plan will transform combat divisions into fast, flexible, and deadly units. Picture a formation where tanks, infantry, artillery, and a swarm of drones all work together. That's what the Army calls multi-domain operations, fighting seamlessly across land, air, cyber, and space. So here's the big question. Will this drone swarm strategy make the U.S. Army unstoppable in the next war? Or will counter-drone weapons level the playing field? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it interesting and subscribe for more deep dives into military tech and future warfare. Thanks for watching and stay tuned because the future battlefield is coming faster than we think.